Hi, I'm back today with a project share. This is something that I saw on the internet. This lady named Diem, she does these really cute things. This is a die that came from AliExpress, and with this die she made a little box, a little book type box, and she made little books, and she made a file folder to hold the little books. It was so cute. And I'm not going to show you how to do this because I don't want to steal her thunder, but I will link her directions or her video below. But I did want to share this with you. So I liked her stuff so much that I made it, and I was going to give it to my daughter. And so I made this little book, gave it to my daughter, and my daughter absolutely fell in love with it. And she said, "Oh my God, it's a refrigerator magnet." And I was like, "No, it's not, but that's a really good idea." So what we did was we took the little books. Actually, this was the first one that I made for my daughter, a little travel book that I thought she could put little pictures in. So we took it and we just glued a refrigerator magnet on it. And these are the magnets that come from Dollar Tree, and they're $1 for 6 of them. They have a flat top, or flat top. So you can glue those on and they work really well, and they're strong enough to hold the book. So this is another one, and this one was made for my daughter to put her kitty cat pictures in because she's really into her cat. And once again, you open it up and it's got space for 6 little tiny pages or journaling. If you like a birthday theme, you can do birthday theme. Maybe you have someone special you want to do one for. Here's another one. I kind of went crazy with the floral prints. That one's my favorite right there. This one has a magnetic closure. You need to have a closure with these. The first one we made didn't have a closure, and so it would kind of come open on the refrigerator. But this has little magnetic closure. And then you can see my spaces for pictures inside. The magnetic closure was real easy. Look how tiny that magnet is. I have no idea where I bought it. I think I got it from Amazon, but they are teeny tiny. I just made a strap out of a folded up piece of paper, glued it onto the back of the book, brought it around to the front, and glued my magnets in place. Very super simple. If you don't have teeny tiny magnets, or you don't want to use magnets for whatever reason, then the other thing you can do is do what I did. And I just took some of that twine that we all seem to have yards and yards and yards of, and I put it between the front cover piece of the book to the back layering piece of the book, and just glued it between them. And then I put on the photo mat. Very simple. And then I just tie it to keep it together. It also makes teeny tiny little books. Aren't those cute? And so they can be little albums too. This one's a little album. And just open it up and you've got your little album pages. It's got a magnet as well, because my bows kind of overpower these little tiny books. And then there's this little book, and it was made for a friend, and it has all kinds of little inspiration in there. This has a bigger magnet, look. And I had to kind of make a claw type of a clasp to cover it. And you can find these little tiny printout books on Etsy. I think I measured it, I think it was like 1.5 inches by 1 inch that I used for the inside of this one. So they're really cute. Here's the dies, I'll just show you. This is the front layering piece. It comes in the large size and the small size. This is the spine piece. Comes in the small and the large sizes. The book page piece at the bottom, large and small again. And then the back pieces that you glue everything to give it strength are here. And then it also came with some decorative elements that I thought were really pretty. I don't use them though, but they're pretty. Here is the Nouveau crystal drop that I used. to make those little dots on that one, just to make it more of a party type thing. Anyway, I will link where you can buy the die, and I will link to Diem's video. I hope you enjoyed this. It was fun to do. You know, it's something little kids would love to pull off your refrigerator and go looking through, or maybe grandma would like, you know, pictures of the kids or anybody. So have a good time with this. Bye.